Hello everyone, and today my agenda is that how to implement material library in Angular application. Open your Visual Studio Code and create a new project. Write down command here in terminal, new project command like that, ng new project name, ng new project name. Here we have mentioned the project name is that material library project. Just create a new project here and the project has been created successfully and we can see that here and the package is installed successfully. Now run this application just like ng serve like that. Change here project location and like that cd and the project name and cd src. Now run this application compile and run. Now we can see that here and we can see that here my application has been run successfully. You can see that here compiled successfully, that means application running now. And open your browser and put here localhost 4200 this default port and refresh this application and we can see that here material library project, that means this application runs successfully. Now in this application I want to implement material library. And how to implement material library in a project? Simply write down here official website of material.angular.io. Just click this one and this also provide multiple component and just click here get started. And I want to implement this library in my Angular application, that means I want to use material library. And simply for using material library we have to need add Angular material in my project. Just copy this one and open your project like that here, Control B and enter. And we can see that here choose a pre-built theme name or custom for a custom theme and use multiple types of themes are available here indigo, pink and deep purple and pink, blue, gray and purple, green and custom. And we can choose as per my requirement. Suppose that I want to use here deep umber like that, deep purple umber. And second thing is pink, blue, gray and enter this one. And just asking about global Angular material, yes and again yes. Browser animation for Angular material, yes, and updated package now. And we can see that here and project update successfully. You can see that here package installed successfully and updated successfully right now. And material library project import here in my Visual Studio Code like that. Open file, open folder like that. And inside the D drive Angular folder and we can see that a material library project. Select this one and select folder like that. In this project material library has been installed successfully and right now I want to implement a new component, UI component in this project. For example, I want to implement slider, mat slider module in this application. I want to implement mat slider in this application. Simply we have to following some steps and mat slider module inject in my app module like that and copy this line and also paste here for import. And next step is that and the single line this part of the HTML, copy this one and suppose that I want to implement this slider on app.component.html and scroll down this page and here written some HTML and we can remove like that. And I think this is not useful for me. And also this one, and like that we can remove. And I want to paste here matte slider. You can see that here, and I paste just here, and I have just refresh this application and open my application and refresh this page, and this application open in new terminal and run again like that. Your application compiled successfully. You can see that here compile successfully. And now open your browser, simply refresh your browser, and we can see that here in the slider showing here. And if I use this slider and like that, and this material effect showing here, and this colorful is very and impacted here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe channel and like this video.